Hello friends, welcome and thanks for watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone keep asking Apple ID password to install free apps. There is new setting in iOS 13 to required password after 15 minutes. How to enable required password after 50 minutes? Let's go to the video. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. To enable required password after 50 minutes, we have to go to setting, scroll down and tap iTunes and App Store and tap password setting. Here you see two options, always required and required after 15 minutes. We have to select required after 15 minutes. Here we have to keep in mind one more thing. If we set up Touch ID and passcode and turn on passcode, then we no need to put password again and again. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.